They're a popular choice among many gardeners due to their affordability and the ease and convenience of planting straight into the bag itself. I've found that they can also be a good alternative to plastic or ceramic pots for plants that need to overwinter indoors or trees you want to transplant in the garden. But grow bags are only worth using if you use the right ones that won't fall apart right away, so I've created a list of some of the best tried and tested grow bags currently on the market. Please see the product link provided below the description for more information. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. Garden Review present top 5 best grow bags. Let's get started. Number 5. Root Pouch Grow Bag. If you're looking for something with a bit more of a luxurious feel for your flowers, fruits, and vegetables, you may be happy to fork out for the best quality by choosing the best Root Pouch Grow Bag, which is a more expensive option compared to others on this list. The non-degradable fabric material promotes a much healthier air-pruned root system that's far superior to plastic plant pots that result in twisted, spiraling roots. By increasing the amount of airflow to the roots branch out as soon as they hit the edge of the bag, forming a larger, denser mass of roots that supports bigger and more productive plants. Another bonus of this grow bag is that it's a more sustainable option, manufactured using reclaimed plastic bottles to save them from ending up in landfills. You can wash and reuse this grow bag multiple times for repeat growing seasons, so you do get your money's worth in terms of quality despite the greater upfront cost. However, it's definitely one you'll want to try first before buying 5 of them for your next couple of crops. Number 4. Garden Forever 5-Pack 5-Gallon. One of the most affordable options I've discovered that doesn't end up veering on the side of being cheap and quality are these Garden Forever grow bags, available in a pack of 5 bags. The round, floor-standing grow bags are manufactured using a grow-friendly felt that encourages better plant health and faster development. You can wash and reuse these bags multiple times, with each harvest yielding successful results thanks to improved water drainage. The straps aren't necessarily the widest, which means they can cut into your hands a bit as you carry them. While this can make moving the bags slightly trickier, they're still pretty sturdy. Number 3. Guardsman 10-Pack 5-Gallon Grow Bags. Next up, I've included this option from Guardsman, which includes a set of 10 grow bags for an extremely reasonable price. As you'll see from the customer reviews, most people weren't expecting such good quality considering the price, so they were pleasantly surprised. The material of these grow bags has a fluffier feel than some of the other grow bags I've mentioned on this list, and it's free from both BPA and AZO. The breathable woven design is highly beneficial for root development, though like all other grow bags, you'll need to water them more during heat spells. The fabric promotes increased growth rates with larger yields, improved drainage for better root health, and superior aeration and air circulation. It's easy to plant your fruits and vegetables directly into the grow bag, and it's just as easy to move your plants to a different location should you want to chase the sun around your yard. Thanks to the high-quality, sturdy handles, you'll be able to securely and safely lift the bag. Number 2. Jiria 12-Pack 7-Gallon. This option from Jiria comes as a whopping 12-pack of grow bags that are suitable for most of your fruit, flower, or vegetable growing. Manufactured with non-woven fabric that provides ultimate breathability for plants, you'll reap larger, healthier yields more often using these grow bags. One of the things I love most is that they also help reduce the risk of transplant shock. The design of these grow bags promotes an excellent water drainage system that helps keep the roots of your plants healthy and reduces any chance of accidental overwatering. You can easily move the bags around as much as you want using the built-in, sturdy handles. Like most other grow bags, these ones are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use to suit various growing needs. Number 1. Vivison 5-Pack Grow Bags. First is on this list is a 5-pack of heavy-duty grow bags from Vivison, which is rated as Amazon's #1 best-selling product under the plant grow bags category. Their 5-gallon capacity allows you to grow a range of fruits and vegetables. They feature a superior drainage system thanks to the non-woven fabric, which prevents excess water from pooling at the bottom to give the roots of your plants enough space to breathe and grow. If you're environmentally conscious, you'll be pleased to know that the material used to construct these grow bags is eco-friendly and BPA-free, as well as highly durable with a life expectancy that's expected to surpass a couple of years with general reuse. The reinforced handles are capable of withstanding wear and tear thanks to strengthening surge stitching that ensures the handles can hold the weight of a heavy filled bag. This is especially useful when you've already added soil and plants before realizing you need to move the bag. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.